Welcome. If you want to get iOS Launcher on your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type iOS Launcher. We are going to get this application from the routine developer, so let's install. Right now we can open, accept all the permissions, then click on the home button, select iOS Launcher 14, and when this notification pops the second time, we have to select this launcher as always. Then tap right here, and as you can see, here we are with this launcher. We can edit home icons. We can also edit the widgets by clicking here. Alright, now click always. And of course, if you enter this application one more time, you can customize here a lot of things, so just have fun and do it like you want. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!